Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is Index XPath. Index XPath is used when Selenium finds multiple matching elements for the same XPath. In such cases, we use an index to tell Selenium which element to pick. Index XPath starts from 1, not 0. In the example, if we see we are using input tag and index is 1, starts with first matching element and selects the second matching element for number 2. Index XPath is useful when elements don't have unique attributes. UI structure is simple and stable. But in real projects, Index XPath should be used only when no better locator is available because UI order changes can break tests. Now we will see how Index XPath works. I will run the script and find the index elements. Now first we will find the index element using the locator input tag. If you see, I'm able to find the input tags. Now our XPath starts with forward slashes. Now if you see there are two elements and I need to find only one first element. So I will give the index as 1. Index XPath is used when multiple elements match the same XPath, or index elements should be used last option after attributes and dynamic XPath. Indexes can break if UI order changes, so use them carefully. This is how Index XPath is used in real automation.